that this program on Biosimilar Workshop consists of skill development program and other sub part of the program. We started with 20 participants in 2017. In 2018, we have scaled up that program from 20 participants to around 80 participants. This year, 100 participants. So what we are seeing is that skill is a major problem in terms of it cannot be a responsibility of the institute. It's not also a responsibility of the industry. So this is a three-leg race, and everybody has to learn. Everybody has to run together. Hands-on training experience, more cohesive and more mutually beneficial to participant as well as the faculty. We have around 75 plus faculty for learning and teaching. We also added another program which we call Leadership Conclave. The Leadership Conclave primarily involves leaders from across the sectors, biopharmaceutical industry, government sectors, social societies, citizen science groups, multiple set of people who are actually talking about it, how skill can be an important part of the entire education system.
So I think it's a great program. I mean, it's got great potential, and we should, if anything else, augment it more. And I hope it continues this way. I think it's going to help our future students and our future biotechnologists a lot. Thank you.
I think this is a very great initiative that ICT is doing for not only students over here, but also industry people that are coming in and getting their hands-on training.
So I think this is a good promise for the future of the biopharmaceutical industry here in India. I was super impressed with all of the participants, with the really good active engagement, and I was very happy to be able to join you and to listen to you and to learn from you. So thank you very much.
This particular conclave, like in the previous years, has been very impactful, has been very aimful by means of quite a few luminary talks that were there, and I think it's creating a
It's been a great pleasure. This is our second year at this conference, and the way it has progressed over the last 2 years has been amazing.
I think this is a serious symposium. We're all here to put India on the map in terms of leading in biosimilars for the world. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts with you. I just want to end by saying this is perhaps the best Make in India for the World opportunity.